Welcome back to Holly's. Today I will be demonstrating a bee mind painting. I want to take this opportunity to talk to you about relationships. And the first thing I want to say is know your worth. We frequently choose people based on their appearance or how they look. It is a natural thing to be attracted to someone based on their looks or how they appear. But I want to tell you, don't look only at appearance. Don't jump into bed with them. Don't jump right into a relationship just because someone is attractive or they appear good. Get to know the person inside before investing your heart into a relationship. The person may look good, but are they good for you? Are they supportive? Are they focused on growing with you? Are they respectful of you? Do they value you? All of these things and so much more will matter in the future than how someone looks. Love yourself enough to take the time to make sure the person has the qualities to grow a successful life and relationship with you. Beware of a smooth talker. That may be all that they are. Don't be rushed into anything that doesn't feel right. Get to know the person. Test the waters. Learn who they are as a person inside before investing yourself. Value yourself enough to be cautious. There are many who present one way, and later you find that they aren't who they said they were. It's very easy to fall for this type of thing. We have all done this. I want to express to you how important it is to love and value yourself enough to be cautious. Take things slow. I know we get excited in new relationships, and it's easy to rush into things, but it will save you so much time and heartache. Be with someone who supports you and wants to grow with you. Surround yourself with people who are uplifting, loving, supportive, secure, and whole. You don't want a toxic partner who has no confidence in themselves or in you. You don't want someone who tears you down or tears down all of your ideas or makes you feel insecure. Those who do these things are insecure and they lack confidence, and they will make you insecure and lack confidence as well. Seek out strong partners, wise partners, loving, supportive, and emotionally available partners. If someone makes you feel like you're a problem when you try to talk to them about something that bothers you, and they do this repeatedly, they aren't for you. If you express something that bothers you and they do it more while smiling at you and saying that they love you, they do not love you. They are toxic and they will hurt you in the long run. Love yourself enough to identify these types and move on. You don't have to be in any relationship that makes you feel bad. You don't have to put up with anyone who puts you down or makes you feel unworthy. If you know you're giving it your all and you have put all that you have into a relationship, but you aren't receiving the same energy, you have a right to respect yourself enough to break it off and move on. Don't get stuck in one-sided relationships. Don't let yourself be disrespected for fear of being alone. You will find so much strength within yourself by doing things on your own. You may be afraid at first, but you will find so much confidence in accomplishing things on your own. And at some point, you will realize you never needed that person at all, that it was always inside you, that you are whole all on your own. That is powerful. You will be so proud of yourself for stepping away and showing yourself that love and respect that they were unable to give you. In saying all of this, I am reminded of a Bible verse that has always given me strength in times of confusion or feeling unsure. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4:13. It is so very true. You can do anything you set your mind to. Just live in that confidence and knowledge. You are whole all on your own. You are strong and capable, and you deserve a partner who sees and values that, not only in you, but also in themselves. My wish for you is to find a partner that embodies all of these good qualities, and that you will also embody them as well. I hope that if you find yourself in a toxic or one-sided relationship, romantic or not, that you will love and respect yourself enough to recognize it and protect yourself. One love, everyone.